Well, it has arrived. The tools that I plan to use for this repair, here's one of them, a small Phillips head screwdriver. And here's the other, a box cutter for opening the box. And opening the box is what we're going to do right now. I'm glad my wife is going to be coming in to clean all this stuff up. Okay, we have the computer. I think the first thing to do would be to look at those memory modules. So we'll just loosen these captive screws here. It's too bad I don't have the memory that I ordered for this machine. I'm going to just press F1 right now. Nothing yet. Okay, F1 to continue. And again, with just the one memory module in there, I'll bet you we're going to end up with the same thing, aren't we? We're getting the startup screen for Windows XP. Probably going to get the same blue screen, aren't we, folks? Wouldn't that be your bet? But evidently the one memory module that's in there now, oh, hold on, the memory module just arrived, I think. Yep, I'm pretty well convinced. Yep, it's the same blue screen as we had before. Pretty well convinced this is my little 1 gig memory module. So it'll be interesting to see. What happens when that's the only memory in the machine. We'll shut it down again. Unplug, unscrew,